scrap a little tree. Somewhere near a river on the outskirts of the city. Make it quiet, make it still. Let the mother do her will. Break me a billion times till there's nothing left to kill. Till it's all just spirit, raw and undefined, like an easy blowing wind. Taking some time, like a feeling when you're young. We're fully left behind. Gonna realize it's gone. Chasing for a lifetime, make a garden out of me. Make a garden out of me. Give my money to a stranger, my guitar to a kid. My day belongs to science, my ex-lovers get my head. Set my car on fire, have a party in the woods. Burn everything I've written, unless it's any good. Give my house to my dog, get him a living turban. Throws a ball all day and keeps the coons away till his eyes get all foggy. His coat is good and gray, then lay him in the ground and send his soul to play. Make a garden out of me. Make a garden out of me. Then go to Sugar Hips, she's still the sweetest pie. Tell her I like good and thick, I like the blackness of her eyes, like the holes in the moon, like a rolling sandy dune, like cracking a cold beer as soon as it hits noon, like the specks of floating dust, like a friend that you can trust. It's something you don't want to do, even though you must, like making sweet love just one last time. You're doing the right thing, leaving it behind. Make a garden out of me. 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 See yourself soft, give up the fight. To realize it don't matter if you're wrong or you're right. You'll turn the same way, just as you were born. Breaking through the darkness to some unknown morning. My time goes by.